What do you mean by high availability? High availability refers to the design and implementation of systems and infrastructures that ensure a high level of operational performance and uptime, minimizing downtime, and maintaining continuous service even in the face of failure. High availability systems are designed to be fault tolerant and resilient, providing uninterrupted access to services, applications, or data. Let's talk about some key concepts of high availability. The first thing will be redundancy. High availability system often incorporate redundancy and various levels, including hardware, software, and network components. Redundant systems can take over automatically if one component fails, ensuring continuous services or continuous service. Number two, failover mechanism. These mechanisms automatically switch operations from a failed component to a standby component without user intervention. Failover can be applied to servers, databases, network connections, and more. Number three, load balancing. So, distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers or resources to ensure no single server become a bottleneck. Load balancing enhances both performance and availability. Number four, clustering involves grouping multiple servers or systems to work together as a single unit. If one server in the cluster fails, other can take over its workload. Number five, data replication ensures that data is copied and stored in multiple locations. If one data source fails, the system can retrieve data from another location without interruption. Number six, monitoring and alerting. So here, continuous monitoring of system components allow for early detection of potential issues. Alerting mechanisms notify administrators and of failures or performance degradation, enabling quick response. And lastly, we want to talk about the disaster recovery. So involves strategies and solutions to recover and restore systems and data after a catastrophic event. This can include off-site backups, replication to geographically distant locations, and predefined recovery procedures. Let's talk about the benefits of high availability. The first thing, which will be quite obvious, is that the minimized downtime. So, high availability systems are designed to minimize downtime, ensuring that services remain available even during failures. Number two, improved reliability. So, with redundancy and failover mechanisms in place, high availability systems are more reliable and less prone to single points of failure. Number three, enhanced user experience. So, continuous availability of services improves user satisfaction and trust, as users can rely on the service being available when needed. And lastly, we have business continuity. Business continuity. So, high availability systems support businesses continuity by ensuring that critical application and services remain operational, which is crucial for maintaining business operations and revenue. Let's talk about some challenges of high availability. The first thing it will be the complexity. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this as well. The first thing that I will talk about will be the complexity. So implementing high availability can introduce significant complexity into the system design, requiring careful planning and management. Number two, cost. High availability solutions often require additional hardware, software, and infrastructure, which can be costly. Maintenance and operational costs may be also be higher. And three, testing and maintenance. Um, yeah, ensuring that failover mechanisms work correctly requires regular testing and maintenance. This can be resource intensive and may require specialized skills. Let's talk about some examples of high availability implementations. The first thing it will be web servers. Um, use use of load balancers to distribute traffic across multiple web servers ensures that if one server fails, other can handle the traffic. Number two, we have database. Implementing database replication and the clustering allows for automatic failover in the event of primary database failure. Number three, cloud services. So, cloud providers often offer built in high availability features such as distributed data centers and automated failover to ensure service continuity. Network infrastructure. So, redundant network paths and failover mechanisms ensure that if one network link fails, traffic can be rerouted through another path. So, in conclusion, high availability is a critical aspect of modern system design, especially for businesses and services that require continuous operation and minimal downtime. By incorporating redundancy, failover mechanisms, and load balancing and other high availability strategies, organizations can achieve greater reliability, enhance user experience, and ensure business continuity. While implementing high availability can be complex and costly, the benefits of reduced downtime and improved reliability often outweigh the challenges. So that's it for this video, and see you in the future.